Hello peoples! Today is our first Brazilian Portuguese class and I decided to start this class using our Brazilian flag, a bandeira brasileira, okay? Brazilian flag. Because September the 7th is Brazil's Independence Day. That's why I chose this topic. And every Monday I intend to post a Brazilian Portuguese class for you, every time for beginners. And today I decided to start with the colors. So the colors of Brazilian flag. So from outside to the center we have here verde, amarelo, azul and branco. This brand here and the stars, branco. So repeat after me. Verde, amarelo, azul, branco. I'm gonna help you and show you how we write it. So here, repeat again. Verde, amarelo, azul, branco. Actually, this saying here in the center sometimes comes in black. Okay, but I'm gonna teach only 4 colors today. So it means order and progress. Pretty similar to English, right? Ordem e progresso. Try to repeat. Ordem e progresso. But let's focus on the colors. Okay, here on this call, I wrote them twice because here we have the masculine form of these words and here the feminine forms of these words, because in Brazilian Portuguese, actually in Portuguese as well, the words can have gender. Sometimes they're neutral, but most of the times they have the masculine or Portuguese gender. I'm gonna show you. For example, if I would say a sentence like the green is beautiful. So here we have how we say the green, o verde. See, because in this case the colors would be in the masculine form, like o verde é lindo, like the green is beautiful. The yellow is beautiful, o amarelo é lindo. The blue is beautiful, o azul é lindo. The branco, the white is beautiful, o branco is beautiful. But if the word color comes, I will change everything to the feminine form, because in Portuguese the word color has a gender, and which is cor, and it is a feminine word. So here I would, for example, a cor verde é linda. It means the green color is beautiful. The yellow color is beautiful. A cor amarela é linda. The blue color is beautiful. A cor azul é linda. The white color is beautiful. A cor branca é linda. So we can compare some differences here. When I have the definite article, here I have the definite article for masculine, and here the definite article for feminine. I just replace o for a. Usually in Portuguese, the word or the letter O refers to masculine and the word or the letter A refers to feminine. Pay attention on the how amarelo changed to amarela when I change the gender as well, and branco changed to branca when I change the gender. Okay, verde and azul, they don't vary, and it's very common. Not every word's gonna vary. Not every word would be feminine and masculine, like I said, like I told you before. Okay, but let's I'm gonna teach you another word, which is bandeira. Okay, let's do some exercise with the word bandeira, which means flag. Here we have bandeira. Okay, I'm gonna teach you the first I'm gonna practice the plural of these forms. Oh, look, if I would change these sentences to the plural, I would just add an s in the end. So that's how our language works. We just have to put an s, and then you have the plural form with just a few exceptions, like here, like azul, because it ends with an L, okay? And usually most of the times when a word ends in an L, in the singular form, when I want to change them to the plural, I just replace the L for an IS. Okay, so look, I'm just gonna put an S to the end of every single word, and then I have the plural form with them, with again a few exceptions, like the word cor, because as it ends in a consonant, I put an ES in the end, and then I have cores. As cores verdes, as cores amarelas, as cores azuis, as cores brancas. Os verdes, os amarelos, os azuis, and os brancos. Now let's do the exercise I wanted to do with you. Here I have the word bandeira, and let's suppose everything was blue here. So I have the singular form bandeira azul, and then I have the plural form, which is bandeiras azuis. And now it's your time to practice. I would like you to write in the comments how would you say yellow flag, okay, and green flag and white flag. Bandeira, I should have said before, bandeira is a feminine word, so I'm gonna match them with the feminine form of the word. Like, for example, let's choose one that varies, like amarelo. Bandeira amarela is the singular, and bandeiras amarelas, it's the plural. Okay, I want you to write for me in the comments green flag and green flags, and then white flag and white flags. Pay attention to the singular and plural form. And now let's practice again with a masculine word. So I choose a kind of a synonym for bandeira, which is símbolo. Because what is this? What's the bandeira brasileira? It's a symbol of the Brazilian nation. So notice that símbolo sounds pretty similar to symbol in English, because they are cognates. They mean the same thing, okay? So let's suppose I'm going to talk about a blue symbol of something. So how do you say blue symbol? You say símbolo azul. Focus on this column here, which refers to masculine words. And let's change it to the plural. What's the plural form of símbolo azul? Símbolos azuis. Okay? So do the same with green symbol, yellow symbol, and white symbol. Okay, in the singular and the plural. And I'm gonna teach you all the words, because what are these spots here? Do you know how to say them in Portuguese? The stars? Stars in Portuguese, it's a feminine word, which is estrelas in the plural. I already put the plural form here for you. So if they were blue, I would say estrelas azuis. If I would talk only about one star, one blue star, I would say estrela azul. And how can I say estrela verde, Oh, sorry. How can I say green star and green stars in Portuguese? How can I say yellow star, yellow stars, white star and white stars? Write in the comments, and in case you commit some mistake, I can correct you, or someone that is also attending this class can correct you. Okay, you can help each other. And that's it for today. I hope you keep watching these classes and you can comment, and see you next class, and thank you. Muito obrigado e até a próxima aula. Tchau.